Question 20. If the equations x square plus mx plus 9 is equal to 0, x square plus nx plus 17 equal to 0, and x square plus m plus n into x plus 35 is equal to 0, have a common negative root. Okay, all these have a common negative root. Then the value of 2m plus 3n is what? So all of them, they all have different roots. Okay, but the common about all these things is the negative root is the same for all of them. Positive root could be different. So let's start with this. This is equal to 0. This equation, this side is also equal to 0, and this left hand side is also equal to 0. So I can start substituting it. I can start equating it like this is also equal to 0 and this is also equal to 0, and try to find some values of mx and all. Okay, so let's see. X square plus mx plus 9 is equal to, I'll put it over here, is equal to x square plus mx plus nx plus 35. So x square and mx in both the sides get cancelled. So I can say 9 is equal to nx plus 35. So I can say nx is equal to minus 26. Okay, this I get one. Then what I do, I equate these two things. So same with this, let me put it as 1. Then x square plus nx plus 17 is equal to x square plus mx plus nx plus 35. nx and x square is getting cancelled. So 17 is equal to mx plus 35. So I can say mx is equal to 18, minus 18, right? So I have nx and I have mx. Let me see if I can find the value of x. Okay, so what we can do is I can start substituting. So I have x square plus mx plus 9 equal to 0. So in the place of mx, let me put minus 18 plus 9 equal to 0. So x square is equal to 9 and x is equal to plus minus 3, right? So if I'm getting x is equal to plus minus 3, and they have said that they all have common negative roots, so one of the roots is going to be, for everyone it's going to be x is equal to minus 3, right? So x is equal to minus 3 is going to satisfy in all the equations. In that case, now what I do is I'll substitute it over here and see. Okay, so no, over here I'll just see and I can find the value of n and m, right? So n into minus 3 is equal to minus 26. So n is equal to 26 by 3, right? And same way mx is equal to minus 18. So m into minus 3 is equal to minus 18. So m is equal to 6. Now they are asking what is the value of 2m plus 3n. This is equal to 2 into 6 plus 3 into 26 by 3, which is equal to 12 plus 26, that is 38. So answer is 30.